Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about the position of things. So here we're going to have an example of all the possible positions of a little ball, yeah, and we are going to see how to say is underneath, behind, on top, all those examples. So the first one is well, on top of. So uh, when it's on top of something, we're going to say encima de, and then you put the thing. In this case, this is a table, and this is the ball. So la pelota is the ball. La pelota está encima de la mesa. La mesa is the table. Or we can also say la pelota está sobre la mesa. Now, arriba is just up. Yeah, that's it. It's not on top of anything. It's just up. Yeah. Uh, these ones here, the ones on blue, we use when you are the reference point. Like you say it's up, and it's on top of you, but you say it's up. Yeah. It's not on top of anything else. It's just above. Okay. Abajo is un- underneath or down. Yeah. And if you want to say the ball is under the table, we're going to say la pelota está debajo de la mesa. So as you can see here, debajo de is like under something. Atrás, behind. Um, if you say la pelota está atrás, it means the ball is behind. Yeah. If it's behind something, you're going to say la pelota está detrás de la mesa. La pelota está detrás de la mesa. Now it's in front, yeah, in front of in front of the table. So la pelota está enfrente de la mesa, yeah. Or you can say la pelota está al frente. This is in front of you. En el medio, in the middle. Sometimes people say en la mitad, in the half. It's also common. La pelota está en el medio. But if we want to specify the like it's between what, like between two tables, right? So or between the tables. So we're gonna say la pelota está entre las mesas. That's the ball is between the tables. Or you can also say la pelota está en medio de las mesas. Yeah, it's like in the middle of the tables or pretty much between the tables. Now on the right, now you can see that here the ball is on the right, of the table. So we say la pelota está a la derecha de la mesa. Yeah. So if you want to say la mesa, you have to say a la derecha de la mesa. If you just want to say the ball is on the right, la pelota está a la derecha. On the left, here the ball is on the left. So la pelota está a la izquierda de la mesa. Yeah. But if the reference point is you, you just say la pelota está a la izquierda. Sometimes people say la bola, also is okay. Next to the ball is next to the table, but we are not specifying if it's on the right or if it's behind or in front. It's just next to it. So la pelota está al lado de la mesa. Again, if we use a reference point, we use de. Or if you just want to say the ball is just next to me, yeah, la pelota está al lado, yeah. En el centro. So en el centro is not the middle. It's not in the middle. It's kind of in the center. Yeah, it's exactly in the center, yeah, of an area. So if the ball is exactly in the center, we're gonna say la pelota está en el centro. If we're gonna say it's in the center of the table, we're gonna say la pelota está en el centro de la mesa. That means the ball is exactly in the center. Now, inside and outside. If you want to say the ball is inside, you say la pelota está adentro. That's it. We're not specifying inside of, like in a box or inside of something. If you want to say the ball is inside a box, box is caja. That's the way you write it down. Caja is feminine. Let's say the ball is in the sorry. Let's say the ball is in the box. La pelota está dentro de la caja. So the ball is in the box. Now, afuera means outside. If the ball is outside, just outside in general, we say la pelota está afuera. If the ball is out of the box, we say la pelota está fuera de la caja. So here you have all the possible ways to talk about the position or the location of an object. Yeah. Like also using yourself as a reference point or other objects as a reference point. We can use this for directions. We can use this to specify where the keys are or where the toilet is and so on. Yeah. So how to practice this? Well, this you have to think about objects, yeah, or maybe when you describe your room to somebody, you can tell the person how your room looks and where the sofa is or the bed is or the TV, or you can talk about these objects and tell the person where they are, how they are like put. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Hasta luego.